How do you shape your program na, yung athletes nyo, they really respect the program, they respect the school,
The legacy.
team, the legacy. So how are you able to, uphold that this whole time?
Yes, first is kailangan mo i-explain to them the program itself. They need to believe on my program and the other coaches' program. And then also, they have to believe in themselves. Kasi syempre, it's very difficult to insert something sa athlete na hindi nila na-understand ba't kailangan namin gawin to. So that is the first one. The second thing is taking care of the athletes because that is, for me, that is the biggest motto dapat ng coach is to taking first the welfare of the athletes, second is the championship. So kailangan ibigay mo muna yung needs nila, not only dun sa pagiging atleta nila but also in their personal life like the studies and also their problems, you have to be there. So you have to be the parents and everything role to them. So I think that is pinakamadaling explain kasi because with regards to recruitment, iba-ibang culture. So ang hirap na pagsamasamahan sa isang room. So you have to be to tell them and understand that we have to move as one.